Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to charge your Shokz OpenRun Pro. So all you need to do is simply grab the charging cable that came in the box. Once you grab the charging cable, you want to attach the USB end into a power supply. And once you've plugged it into a power supply, you want to now attach this end to where it's supposed to be put. So you should notice here at the back, you should see these pins where you can now attach the charging cable. So simply attach them, ensure that they've been attached properly. And once you've done that, you now want to switch on the power supply. So from there, you should see an indicator. If this light flashes red, it means that your Shokz are charging. If it switches to blue, it means that your Shokz are now fully charged. So you can just leave it and let it charge. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.